Good morning, everyone. Tim Morset with the Tim Morset Group. And I'm excited because we're talking about a new listing we have here in the beautiful city of Foothill Ranch. The address is 1 Flores. It's a property that's at the end of a cul-de-sac that backs to a green slope. It's quiet and peaceful. It has a pool, spa, barbecue, a downstairs ensuite bedroom, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Let's go take a look inside. So as you enter the double doors, first thing you notice are the huge 2-story ceilings, the walls of windows that bring in tons of light into this room, fireplace with a living room, formal dining room. From here, we go into an area that has the powder room, inside laundry room, and an ensuite downstairs bedroom that is great and very nice for out-of-town guests. From there, we go into the family room and kitchen. Let's take a look at that. I just love the brightness of the remodeled kitchen. It's a new remodel. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, double oven, shaker cabinets, and then the farmhouse kitchen sink overlooking the pool and the slope. You're gonna love being in this kitchen. It's great, and it also has an adjoining breakfast nook. Let's take a look at the family room. So here we are in the adjacent but separate family room. It's a nice large space, cozy fireplace. And what I like best about this room is the sounds from the pool and the waterfalls in the back. You overlook the pool and the slope, it's beautiful. Now let's see what we get upstairs. Let's go. So at the top of the landing, we're in the primary suite. The primary suite features high ceilings, which are nice, ceiling fan, plantation shutters throughout the whole house. You have a nice little retreat area for if you want to read a book, have a cup of coffee in the morning, look in the backyard. The primary bathroom has been recently remodeled. It's gorgeous inside, quartz countertops, shaker countertops, nice soaking tub, huge walk-in closet. Let's go check out the other rooms and the bonus room. So as we exit the primary suite, we walk past bedroom number 3, the secondary bathroom, which has been remodeled with quartz, gorgeous. And then bedroom number 4, they all have mirrored wardrobes. And then we land here in the bonus room. The bonus is a large bonus room. The bonus room has a balcony that you can exit out to. So the upstairs is really nice and spacious. Again, this house, the sellers have done windows throughout the whole house, new Anderson windows. Let's go take a look at the backyard. So if you're a buyer and you've always wanted a peaceful backyard that was quiet, that's what this property at Flores has. Nice pool, pebble tech. In the afternoon, this backyard is full of sun. You back up to a slope that's quiet, no one's looking in. And then you've got a great barbecue area. Let's go take a look at that. So here we are ending by the barbecue. I can just imagine all my friends, family, kids here barbecuing some steaks, having some cocktails and brews. This is a place for you. It's fun backyard. It's quiet and tranquil. You can play some music and your neighbors aren't going to hear you because you got a slope here. So get a hold of us, the Morset Group. Our number is 949-412-2233. Take care. Be safe.